fix Instagram glitch problem on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will share with you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will go to your phone and you will go directly to settings. You will open settings and you will go now directly to apps. Then here you will find all your application that you have on your phone. You will scroll down and look for Instagram. As you see, this is my Instagram. I will click now to storage and I will click clear data. Then I will click OK and I will click clear cache and click OK. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.